It pooped on my screen. Hey guys, welcome to day 9 of Vlogtober. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday because we were like watching a bunch of movies. We watched like a scary movie, and then we watched The Blind Side, and we watched Hush, which I've seen both movies, so, but whatever. Yeah, so it's so pretty. And yesterday was fun. I'm really burnt, not on my face, just my back and like my leg. But as y'all could see yesterday. But yeah, I'm having a great time, and I just started the vlog out here because Madison's asleep, so yeah, this is actually our window right here. This is our window. But yeah, I'm having so much fun, and I love this place. This is like my 6th time here. But yeah, and I'm like so sick, I don't even know. Like, it hurts so bad, but oh well, it's okay, it's okay.
It's got some good colors in it, and then I brought this for my eyebrows, but...
Eyebrows?
Yeah.
Hey guys, so we're going to like the Strand, which is, we take the ferry and we're like on the other side of the island, and today we're leaving. Well, me and Madison are, the other two are staying, but we're going like shopping and eating and stuff, so yeah. Madison, did you have fun?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
All my friends are heathens, take it slow. Wait for them to ask you who you know.
We're gonna feed the birds. Come on, Maddie, son. Can I have some bread?
Yeah, go ahead.
I feel like they're gonna attack me. Catch it. He didn't catch it. Got it!
I like tossing him like, hi!
I like tossing him like right in the middle of the yeah. Whoa, they fought. This is fun.
I'm scared they're gonna poop on me.
I'm afraid of that too.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, we got it.
Whoa.
Yeah, that was cool.
Wait, who needs more?
Take it. I'm actually freaked out. Ugh. Yeah. Now I smell like bread. Well, that was fun. Oh! Trying to make it land on our heads so it can catch us. Ew, what is that? That just landed on my phone.
Is it
on my head?
Yeah, I don't think so. Wait. Madison, here's your fourth of the
I
last
threw it
piece.
up on my head. I don't want you on me. Don't poop on me. Don't poop on me. Don't poop on me. I don't want them to poop on me.
Wait, it's
Look, it pooped on my phone. It pooped on my screen. Where? Madison, look, dolphins. We're shopping. caramel apple. She got chocolate.
Yeah.
We're going home now. Peace out. We are going home. We just watched Marley and Me, and now we're watching Big Hero 6. I really have to pee bad, but my mom's kind of mad because we stopped like an hour ago. See? I'm not the only one.
Oh man, it's about to go down.
I need to pee still, Mom.
I'm gonna exit as soon as I see something, Mackenzie.
Oh look, you finally answered me. I'm home.
Are you filming us? Hey.
Well guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog tonight because I'm really tired. But tomorrow's Monday and I don't have school tomorrow because it's Columbus Day or something. Or no, teacher parent conference, I don't even know. But yeah, I'm taking Walter out and I'm going to my friend Cassidy's birthday party tomorrow, and my friend Mary Kate, Rachel, and Macy will be there, and Abby and them, and you know them, they're my buddies. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.